welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making zucchini bread and my little one Emily is helping, so this should be fun. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
We have 2 cups of brown sugar in here. Are you gonna stir it? Stir that. Now we're gonna add 5 cups of flour. Are you stirring it? We're gonna add our eggs. These are 4 eggs. 4 eggs. Okay. Now we need 1 cup of sugar.
No way. I don't have any.
We do have any. We have a lot.
I have a lot of this.
We do have a lot of this.
We don't have a lot of this, right?
Yes.
Oh, we have a lot of eggs.
We're doing 2 teaspoons.
Teaspoons. I want this teaspoon.
Of kosher salt.
I have the kosher salt.
Put it in. Put it all in there. There you go. We're gonna get 1 more.
Let me do it.
Okay. Good job.
It's enough.
And we're gonna do 1½ teaspoons of baking powder.
I have baking powder.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay. Here, put that in there. Make sure it all goes in there.
It's going in there.
Is it? Okay. Just making sure. Here. Put that one in there. 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda.
I have baking soda.
Make sure you keep it in there. Let's see.
It's still flour.
It's still flour? I know.
It's still floury.
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
I like it.
Ah, let me see it. Here.
Yeah, I like this one.
Okay. We're going to do 1.5 cups of oil.
I have an oil.
I'm doubling this recipe to make 2. So that's why there's so much.
Can I do it?
Here, be careful. Don't spill it.
Whoa, this is a lot of oil.
There's a lot of oil. Okay, there we go.
And we gotta cook it.
Here, pour that one in there.
It's still water. It's still water. Oh yeah, gotta show the water.
Okay, we gotta mix it all together really good.
We gotta get it all mixed together.
Yep, we gotta mix it all together.
And we get it all together. Can you see it?
I can. Can you see it?
It's making the other sounds.
Watch your hair.
Gotta be so tasty.
Yeah. I'm sure Dada doesn't want hair in it though.
They're making it, friends. They're making it. Almost done.
Almost.
And you see it? It's still mixing.
Yeah.
It's gotta be so tasty.
It is gonna be so tasty.
Yep, it is.
You think so? I'm glad. Mama hopes it's gonna be tasty.
It's gonna be tasty and brown.
Yeah. All right, let's get
Brown.
our zucchini. All right, you gonna put it in there? You have to scoop it like that. Yeah. And this is 5 cups of homegrown shredded zucchini.
Now you mix it.
Okay, mix it.
I'll match it.
It's getting kind of hard to mix, isn't it?
It is. Give it a go whack.
Oh yeah?
Mommy,
What?
I get lots of eggs.
Yeah, we have to get more eggs.
We're getting on Christmas.
Yep.
We don't have any.
There's 1 left.
One left. Oh yeah.
Mama's gonna use her hands. That's so much easier.
It's so much easier.
Yeah.
And your hands are dirty.
Yes, my hands are dirty. It's okay to get dirty. Whoa. Don't fall.
Sorry.
Zowie.
There's a guy in blue. And hands. There's a guy in blue.
Yep. It's because I was working outside yesterday.
Because.
Alright, and that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna put it in 2 bread pans and we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 65 to 75 minutes, depending on how long it takes it. Since it's a double recipe, it could be a little extra. You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
It's only been about 30 minutes, but I think they're pretty much done already. They're looking pretty golden. Let's check on them. I don't know where my skewers are. That's definitely not done. A few more minutes. I draped some foil over them because they were browning way too quick on the top and they were not cooking enough in the middle. So hopefully that should help. My alarm just went off, so it's time to check it again. Hopefully it's done this time. They look beautiful. Let's check. I know I'm using a plastic butter knife, but darn it, they're still not done. I'll just let them cook a little bit longer and see what happens. Alright, I actually think it's done this time. Let's check it out again. Hopefully it is. It looks so pretty. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think that one's done. Yay, I think that one's done too. Finally! I'm so excited to try it. We'll have to try it together as soon as it cools off a little bit. So y'all, I couldn't wait to try it, so I got a little piece. That's a keeper recipe. That's really good. You should try it. I highly recommend it. So later on this week, I'm going to be making some freezer meals. I always make a dinner for us, and then I make an extra one to freeze. So we will be doing that. I've gotten a lasagna one, and then I have some kind of pasta casserole. It's going to have veggie noodles in it. We've been trying to eat healthier. So come along with me for that one, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and share, or like and subscribe. Sorry. See y'all later. Bye, guys.